Today we talk about how to use Apple Pay at Starbucks. 1. Install the Starbucks application from the App Store. 2. If you don't have an account, you will need to create one. Otherwise, please log in with your existing account credentials. 3. Access the account icon by tapping on it within the Starbucks app. 4. Tap Starbucks cards and payment. 5. Tap your Starbucks card. 6. Next, tap on Add Fundamental. Choose the desired amount and optionally enable auto reload. Make sure to select the Apple Pay as your preferred payment method and then tap on the Add Amount button. Now you can use this fundamental to make purchases within the app. 7. Your payment option will be automatically updated to include Apple Pay. Additionally, you can add new payment method at any time. To view and manage your payment option, navigate to your account icon, then select Starbucks cards and payment, and finally payment.